Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today's title is inspired by the opening line of the Song of Songs, also known as Song of Solomon, chapter 2, verse 1. When I first read it in the Bible, I found it quite intriguing, as it was a little out of place to discover a short section of love poems, which are quite sensuous per se, in the middle of all the more serious stuff. So the line starts with a woman saying, I'm a rose of Sharon, a lily of the valley. The rose of Sharon is not the rose as we know the flower, but interpreted as the crocus, white daisy, or some other common wildflower that grows in a field. This indicates humility. In other words, I am a common lowly flower of the lowlands, and I am no different nor better than my companions, my sisters, in this great flower throng. Then the man affirms in verse 2, like a lily among thorns is my darling among the young women, which is to reassure her that in his eyes she is most pure and beautiful among the wretched. What is interesting about the whole poem in Song of Songs is that on the surface it is a declaration of love between men and women and their erotic desires. But if you dig a little deeper, it's about the intensity of divine love that God has for us, and how it feels to be drunk and giddy in spiritual love when we are in God's favor. Then it'll start to make sense why this was in the Bible when you read it from that perspective. Either way, it is a song of passion, and one of my favorite poems of all time too. I may not exactly have gotten the flower right, but I chose a peace lily since it is often associated with purity, innocence, peace, and sympathy. I was also in the mood for a little bit of texture and a more abstract or contemporary look for the landscape, which I was trying to achieve here. Just so you know, those orange smudges were supposed to be lights from village houses along the valley. Sometimes when I'm not sure of the outcome, I feel I need to give a little explanation in the beginning. But I really like this piece. I love the colors and the mood of it. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
It's summertime out there. Yeah, winter time is here. My problem could be the problem, maybe. My lid is feeling blue. Now I am too. Am I the problem, baby? Am I the problem? My baby's feeling down. Gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fool talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. Baby, we can make it right, even though we ain't got plans. Right now we're in the dark, but with this magic and this lamp, we can brighten up the mood, turn it into what we can. Even though sometimes it feels like we've reached a fucking dam. I hate to bring you down, my lover. It really hurts to see you blue. Yet we always seem to mend each other. And this time round I'll be mending you. My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fool talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. It's summertime out there. Yeah, winter time is here. Am I the problem? Could be the problem, maybe. My lid is feeling blue. Now I am too. baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a floor talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. Baby, we can make it right, even though we ain't got plans. Right now we're in the dark, but with this magic and this lamp, we can brighten up the mood, turn it into what we can. Even though sometimes it feels like we've reached a fucking dam. I hate to bring you down, my lover. It really hurts to see you blue. Yet we always seem to mend each other. And this time round I'll be mending you. My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fool talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. It's summertime out there. Yeah, winter time is here. Am I the problem? Could be the problem, maybe. My lady's feeling blue. Now I am too. Am I the problem, baby? Am I the problem? My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fool talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. Baby, we can make it right, even though we ain't got plans. Right now we're in the dark, but with this magic and this lamp, we can brighten up the mood, turn it into what we can. Even though sometimes it feels like we've reached a fucking dam. I hate to bring you down, my lover. It really hurts to see you blue. Yet we always seem to mend each other. And this time round I'll be mending you. My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fool talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. It's summertime out there. Yeah, winter time is here. Am I the problem? Could be the problem, maybe. My lady's feeling blue. Now I am too. Am I the problem, baby? Am I the problem? feeling down, even when I'm around. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. Baby, we can make it right, even though we ain't got plans. Right now we're in the dark, but with this magic and this lamp, we can brighten up the mood, turn it into what we can. Even though sometimes it feels like we've reached a fucking dam. I hate to bring you down, my lover. It really hurts to see you blue. Yet we always seem to mend each other. And this time round I'll be mending you. My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fault talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. It's summertime out there. Yeah, winter time is here. Am I the problem? Could be the problem, maybe. My lady's feeling blue. Now I am too. Am I the problem, baby? Am I the problem? My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fool talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. Baby, we can make it right, even though we ain't got plans. Right now we're in the dark, but with this magic and this lamp, we can brighten up the mood, turn it into what we can. Even though sometimes it feels like we've reached a fucking dam. I hate to bring you down, my lover. It really hurts to see you blue. Yet we always seem to mend each other. And this time round I'll be mending you. My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling low, and I don't even know if I am a fault talking help at all. My baby's feeling down, even when I'm round. Am I the problem, baby? Could be the problem. It's summertime out there. Yeah, winter time is here. Am I the problem? Could be the problem, maybe. My lady's feeling blue. Now I am too. Am I the problem, baby? Am I the problem? My baby's feeling down, gotta turn around and help her. My baby's feeling